Welcome to CJ's Funhouse.
What do we have today?
Surprise eggs.
This is sort of like a surprise egg. Who's this?
Rapunzel.
Who's that?
Belle.
Who's that?
Elsa.
They kind of look like they're getting their hair cut. Because it looks like they have capes on. You ready? What you doing? This one first?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm just going to lift her up. Oh, it's stuck in there. I got it. You don't even have to take it off.
Mom.
Let me get some scissors.
What is it?
What is this? It's a Shopkins. It's I think they're still season 2 baskets. Okay. Right, we could learn to push down. There we go. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'll open them and you can pull them out. Cute. It is Wendy Washer. She's a rare.
Kimmy, did you want this one really bad?
Yeah.
Now we'll do this one.
It's open. It's Wendy Washer.
Mommy.
Who is it? Let's see. Can you show the camera? Like, has his mustache. What is he? Mustard. Mustard. Cornell Mustard. He looks very distinguished with his mustache. And a monocle. Look at that little, the one thing over his eyes called a monocle.
Oh, let's get the Play-Doh off.
Okay. No, don't worry about that. Just let's do. You want to do Elsa or Belle?
Elsa.
Elsa.
This is
This sure is a beautiful little Elsa. Thank you.
I hope we get Elsa. Mm-mm.
Oh, hopefully we will. Because you love Elsa.
You open it.
Let's see.
Let's.
Oh
Another Olaf.
no! Oh well. Well, for some reason our old Olaf's face got kind of, I don't know, it disappeared. So he can replace our old Olaf. What do you think?
A new Olaf. Mm-mm.
We won't put him in the bathtub or wherever he was, right, CJ?
Mm-hmm.
You get the old one. Okay, now Belle's turn.
Mm-hmm.
All right, just lift her up. And the surprise is right there. All right. Just push down.
I thought we got another of this.
Wouldn't that be funny?
Mm-hmm.
All right, that one's ready for you. Okay.
I'm going to do this one.
Okay, Dad.
Oh,
What is that? Beans? Let's see. What kind of beans do we have? Bart beans. Okay.
Bob.
And our last one is a shoe. I love the shoes. Shoe is, I think is it the Purple Hills?
No, it's a Purple Hills.
Yeah, and we already have the Green Hills.
Yes, right there.
Here is our Green Hills, and now we have Purple Hills.
Oh, my both of them on the same size.
Okay. What do you think, CJ? This is what we got today. Good? What's your favorite?
This one and this one.
Bart Beans and Wendy Wash.
CJ's Funhouse.